Hi, my name is Devyn and welcome back to my channel. It has been forever and a day since the last time I posted, but I decided to bring you girls and guys a pink cut crease smoky eye. So if you're interested, please continue watching. I'm starting off with my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the color Ebony. So I don't get too crazy with my brows. I really just fill in my natural brows with it and don't overextend my arch. Then I'm cleaning up my brows and trying to perfect what I have laid down with the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in 4.0. Now I'm taking this beautiful burgundy color called Jezebel, and that is from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. And I'm just going to continue to build up that color until I am satisfied. The next color I'm taking is the pink color from the Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place, and that is in the color Bori. Now above that color, I'm going to put in a beautiful orange color from called Morocco. I'm going to deepen the color of my crease with the color Kenya from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. And then I'm going to go a little bit further with adding a little black with that Kenya. Now, without adding any additional product, I'm going to take my fluffy blending brush and I'm going to smooth out that line so it's not as harsh. Now I'm using that same 4.0 concealer and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm looking up after I apply the concealer to ensure that I went high enough with the concealer. And then I'm just going to go and clean up, make that sharp edge like you know we love to do. Now I'm going to be cleaning up that edge by applying some more of the Jezebel from the Juvia's Place palette. And then I'm going back in with Bori, and I'm bringing that in towards my tear duct, and then adding some additional black. So for the crease color, I'm taking the CoverFX Shimmer Veil in Soliel. That's the color of it, which is super pretty and shimmery. I'm going to apply a liner, and it's from LA Splash, and it is their Architect liner. It's like my favorite liquid liner. It's super black, it dries matte, and it stays all day long. Next, I'm going to put some Bori at the bottom under my lash line, and then follow it up with Jezebel and Kenya from the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to add a shimmer color from the same palette. Now I've already applied my foundation, and now I'm just going to warm up my face with the Sephora face powder and the color Mocha Spice. And then I'm just doing a little bit of contouring on my nose. Next, I'm taking a blush from a blush quad from City Color Cosmetics. It's like $3 for 4 colors. You can't beat it. Now I'm taking one of my all-time favorite highlighters from your girl Aina, and her collaboration with Artist Couture in the color LaPeach. I'm going to buff out the corner a little bit. Now I'm going to be lining my lips with the Jordana lip pencil, and it's their burgundy color. I'm not really sure of the name, but you cannot sleep on Jordana lip pencils. They're 99 cents, and they're amazing. After I filled in my lips with the Jordana pencil, I'm taking the lipstick color Bane from Melt Cosmetics, which is a matte black color. Now I'm cleaning it up. Clean up on aisle 7. After I'm done with this, that rounds out my look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you return. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share this video. I would surely appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time.